I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Robinhood account has been suspended and you need to recover your funds, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your email. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Log into your account. Try to log into your Robinhood account. If you can access it, check for any notifications or messages that provide guidance on resolving the issue. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you can't resolve the issue through your account, reach out to Robinhood's customer support. Use the app or website to submit a request for assistance. Step 4. Provide required documentation. Be prepared to submit any requested documentation to verify your identity or resolve the issue. This may include ID verification or proof of address. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for updates. If you don't hear back in a few days, follow up with customer support to check on the status of your case. If you stay organized and proactive, you can navigate this process smoothly. Good luck, and I hope you recover your funds quickly.